Dear students, 10th के एग्ज़ाम्स फिनिश्ड, कुछ एग्ज़ाम्स पेंडिंग है ICSE बोर्ड के, but don't worry for it. Exams will be on the scheduled timing after lockdown reopens. But still, now you have to decide for the stream selection. Stream selection means what you will be taking in 11th class and then continue it in 12th class. So for today, I will be telling you the stream selection points. There are mainly 3 stream selections in India. First is science, where you can continue with medical or non-medical branches, or certain choiced subjects are also possible in some CBSE schools. Second is non-medical point, where you can select the engineering method or engineering pattern. And third is certain different choice of subjects. So now we will be going in the chart for detailed study of career choice as science subject. Okay, so let's move on. So dear children, let's move on. When a student is moving from 10th to 11th and you are opting science as the main subject. So science may have choices. First you can choose medical option. In medical options, the subject choice in 11th class will be physics, chemistry, bio. Some schools also give you the choice of physics, chemistry, maths and bio. Other optional subject, because if you are choosing PCB, then you will have English as the 4th subject, and if you are choosing PCMB, then you will have English as the 5th subject. And some schools also give you the facility of 6th optional subject, and over here you will have to choose 5th optional subject. So other choices are psychology, biotechnology, mathematics, over here I have covered this, then economics, home science, fine arts, physical education, political science, informative practice, etc. Now the second choice is, if you are taking the medical, you will have to appear for NEET exam when you will be in 12th class. Now second choice is non-medical branch, which is sometimes called as engineering branch. The most common engineering exam held in India for selection in engineering colleges is JEE, which is containing 2 parts, mains and advanced. Over here you select the subjects in 11th class as physics, chemistry, maths, and 4th subject as English, and 5th subject may have bio also. But for the selection of both the choices, that is physics, chemistry, maths and bio, you will have to be a very keen observer as well as sincere and hard-working student as well as consistent student. The other 5th subject or 6th optional subject may be computer science, economics, physical education. Some schools also give you the choice of engineering drawing, then fine arts, psychology, political science and legal studies. Other schools may also give many choices. And third, some schools also give choice of certain choiced subjects which may have lacking of physics, or chemistry or maths or bio. So some CBSE schools are also referring these type of subject choices. Now the choice is your. For any query related subject choice, you can contact me. Okay, so best of luck for the future. Thank you.